3 ingredients. 5 minutes. The silkiest chocolate mousse you've ever had. Today I'm going to show you something a little shocking, and that's how to make an amazing chocolate mousse without any eggs or gelatin in under 5 minutes with just 3 ingredients. This recipe comes from the MasterChef Australia S1E11 Episode MasterClass with George Calombaris. I was skeptical at first, but after making it, I know I will repeat it again and again. I'm making one portion, but you can easily scale it up. Take 60 grams of chocolate, melt it in the microwave in short bursts, and stir between those bursts so that it doesn't burn. Once it's melted, grab an immersion or stick blender and 40 grams of olive oil. Drizzle the oil in a few additions, watch the scale as you go, and blend it to make a glossy emulsion. You could try a spatula or a whisk here, but the blender makes it literally foolproof. We add the oil in parts to keep that emulsion very stable. Now whip 100 grams of cold heavy cream and whip it to soft peaks. I like whisking small amounts by hand for better control because cream is basically the easiest thing to overwhip. Keep your cream in the fridge until the chocolate mix reaches about 38 to 40 C or 100 to 105 F. For this mousse to work, whipped cream needs to be cold and your chocolate cannot be too hot or your cream will obviously melt. Next, I'm lightening the chocolate with a spoonful of the whipped cream by mixing it into the chocolate. Do not stress about losing a bit of air here because this bit is sacrificed so the rest folds in more easily. Now pour the chocolate mixture over the remaining cream and fold until there are no streaks and the color is evenly chocolatey. You'll feel it set in fast as you fold, so be gentle but efficient. Spoon or pipe the mousse into your serving glass. It's already pretty set, as you can see. I even had to smooth the top with a spatula. For me, it filled just one glass. I shaved some chocolate on top and added a few flakes of salt for a different texture and flavor, and now I'm ready to taste. As you can see, even without chilling, it holds its shape and it's ready to eat. The herbaceous notes of the olive oil come through nicely, and that's why you need to choose a flavorful extra virgin oil. The texture is spot on, really. Silky smooth and it's super airy. A pinch of salt just ties everything together. So yeah, that masterclass taught me something awesome, and this is absolutely joining my regular repertoire. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.